G'day Beaks and Beaks to Bee. Are you curious about learning more about beekeeping? I have been a beekeeper for over 55 years and rearing queen bees since the 1980s.
Got enough bees in this hive, Nicole?
We might be a little bit short. What do you reckon?
A little bit short.
This morning's episode is to clean the excluder free of wax so that it's ready to be put back on the nuke supers. The excluder's already been irradiated through the radiation plant, and the only way, or the easiest way and quickest way, is to melt the wax off so that it's nice and clean to put back on again. You've got to make sure that you don't heat the wires up too hot, otherwise the galvanising that's on the excluder will be removed, and then the galvanising will rust. Right, so that's half the excluder completed. I'll just go and cool it off so that we cool it down very quickly. It doesn't get too hot for further rusting if it gets burnt off. So I'll turn it around, get it going again. So this is only one way that you can clean your excluders. There are quite a number of ways that you can use, but I find this is the easiest way to clean my excluders.
I always have the cross members to the rear of the excluders when I'm melting the wax off, so that the wax drains down to the cross members and then it just drops or runs off. There we are, all clean. Just take it out and give it a wash now. I clean all the propolis and wax off the bands around the perimeters of my excluders so that they fit down nice and neat in between each super.
This is the residue from the excluder. That's only one excluder, and that's how much can be removed from the wires. It's also a hindrance to the hive for the bees to be able to air condition the hive properly.